This has the most distinct mating call of any car in the world. When it is in heat, it makes a noise, such like this, to attract mates. This happens about once a month. When the Taurus is satisfied, it will stop making these noises, but as you can obviously hear, this one is not yet reproduced, and will continue to hunt for a suitable pair that is also making the noise, because it's a piece of shit and should burn in hell.